The amazing free AI art generator called the BlueWellow is an innovative tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you create beautiful and unique artwork. With this tool, you can easily create digital art, graphics, and illustrations without having any design skills or experience. BlueWellow uses advanced algorithms and deep learning models to generate images that are truly unique and visually appealing. You can use this tool to create anything from abstract art to realistic portraits, making it a versatile and useful tool for artists, designers, and creatives. To access BlueWellow, simply go to Google and type a BlueWellow. Click on the official website and click on Join the free beta. Note that you must have a Discord account before. After joining the BlueWellow Discord server, you will see channels on the left side. Click on one and type in your keyword to generate any images you want, from logos and landscapes to characters and digital artwork. Just describe the image you want and our AI image generating tool will create the perfect graphic for your project. Best of all, it's all free.